Hello viewers, today we are going to show you how to process a sales invoice using SQL accounting software. Here is a sample scenario. We are going to process a sales invoice selling 10 tables at 400 ringgit each, with a 20% discount and an additional assembly cost. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, select the customer. The customer details will be automatically keyed in. Next, change the date if necessary. Select an agent and pick a term. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in furniture order as an example. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the item field. Click on this plus button to insert a record. Select the item code. The item details are automatically keyed in. Then, enter the required details. Insert the discount. Since this is a loyal customer, you've decided to give them a 10% discount on discount. Simply add 10% on top of the 20% discount. If the item is taxable, you may select the tax code here. For classification, it is automatically set to the option that you have made in Maintain Item. But you can pick other options here if you wish to. For the assembly cost, there is no item code for it. So, just key in the description and fill in the details. After you've done inputting data, click on Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a sales invoice. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.